Hi guys, in this video I am going to demonstrate the PT activity 17.5.9 where we are going to work with the different show commands and how their output should be interpreted. As you are all aware, almost all the network administrators will have a very good grip on how to use the show command for troubleshooting. So let us see this activity and what different types of commands can be used. So this is how the PT activity looks like. We have been given a topology, but the thing is, it is just you need to enter the commands and answer these questions. So there are some show commands here. Let me just maximize this for clarity purpose. It goes analyze show command output to connect to ISP router, click ISP PC, then the desktop tab followed by the terminal. So I can do that desktop tab and then with the terminal and then click OK. So you should be able to see the router here. Yes, there is the ISP router that you can clearly see. Okay, that's fine then. So let me just drag this here. Let me give me a minute. Okay, so let me drag this. Now enter the privilege executive mode and it is asking me to use the following show commands to answer the reflection questions in part 2. Okay, then of course some of the commands will be shown with the more prompt towards the bottom of the screen. If that is the case, what you need to do is you need to type in the space bar to read about the more information about that particular command or to check out the other output also. Show IRP, show flash, show IP route, show interfaces, show IP interface brief, show protocols, show users, and show version. I hope everybody still remembers. We used most of these commands in our earlier modules in module 6, module 7, module 8. So let me just give you a little bit brief about these commands, how they are for which purpose are they used. Show ARP, it is used to verify the list of known hosts on the local Ethernet LANs. Show flash, it actually tells you the version, the memory size, and all the other information. Show IP route is going to verify layer 3 routing information. Show interfaces is going to give you the verification of interface status and if there are any error messages that are prompted on that particular interface. Show IP interface brief, it's a brief version, we will work on that. Show protocols, it actually verifies which protocols are operational. Show users, show version actually tells you information to verify regarding memory, interfaces, and licenses of the devices. So let me go straight to the reflection questions and we'll talk about this because we actually answered most of these things in our earlier videos and we studied them in our earlier modules. So which commands can you use to determine the IP address and network prefix of interfaces? It's not just one command. There are multiple commands that we can use, including show IP route, show interfaces, and show protocols. So let me just type in one. Let me see how it works. So let me select show protocols. Show protocols. Enter. There you go. It is actually given. It says that see the interface changes straight into up. Now let me type in the space bar to see what else information is written over there. You can see here gigabit Ethernet address is given. It is actually giving the IP address as well as the prefix also. That means the subnet mask which is assigned to it. You click more, each and every information regarding this, the interfaces that are assigned are given here. There is, if you see here, line protocol is down for 01, serial interface is administratively down. There are only two interfaces which are active over here, which is G0/0 and serial interface 0/0/1. All the rest are down. You click spacebar, it says that VLAN 1 is also not assigned. Okay, that answers your first question. The second question is which command provides the IP address and interface assignment, but not the network prefix. If you don't want all this information, the best command you can use is IP interface brief. I type in show IP, I just need the IP address, so IP interface brief and enter. There you go. You can have the list of, give me a second. You can have the list of the IP interfaces and the assigned addresses to that interfaces. Okay, so that is that. And let me take the next question. Which commands would you use to determine if an interface is up? So what you need to do, interface up. You can actually clearly see from these different things that I just used. show interfaces, show IP interface brief, and show protocols. Any of these 3 commands can be used to find out whether if an interface is up or down. Okay, you can just see here the status is clearly coming up. I tend to use IP interface brief because it is simple and it gives me precisely the information which I'm looking for. Let me go to question number 4. You need to determine the iOS version that is running on a router. Which command will give you this information? Straightforward. Show version. If I type in show version, you can see here clearly that I get all the information. There you go. See, Cisco iOS software C900, the version is 15.1 M4. It is released. All that information regarding version, you can see version 15.1. Uptime, all that information is actually you can get by typing in the command show version. You can press spacebar, you can go down, or if you want to come out of this, just click down arrow. You will get back to where you are. So that answers your question. The answer for that is show version command. So 5th, which commands provide information about the addresses of the router interfaces? Once again, it's the same thing. Addresses of the router interfaces, you can get it from show ARP, show interfaces, show IP route, show IP interfaces brief, and show protocols. So all these protocols can be used. If you want, I can show you show ARP. I can type in this. There you go. You can see that what the interfaces are, what are the addresses that are done for that. And I can actually type in show interfaces. I can do that also. There you go. You can get a lot of information using these commands, but you need to interpret. You need to know which information are you looking for. So based on that, you can select your own choice of commands to use, or to which show command should be used appropriately. There's a lot of information that is available if you type in show interfaces. So you can go through all these things. That gives you the answer for 5th question. The 6th question, you are considering an iOS upgrade and need to determine if router flash can hold the new iOS. Which commands provide information about the amount of flash memory available? So for this, you can either use show version or you can use show flash. I have shown you how version works. So let me try and show flash. See, there you go. It says how many bytes are being used, how many bytes are available, where the file is, what is the size of that file. So all that information is written out here. So you can use show flash. You can use the same version also, but this is a far more better answer. That is for 6th question. 7th one, you need to adjust a router configuration, but you suspect that a colleague may also be working on the router from another location. Which command provides information about the lines being used for configuration or device monitoring? Show users. The answer is show users. You need to type in, there you go. Which users are idle, which users are using the lines, all that information you can get it from here. Because there are not many users, there is only one user here, I got it. But if there are multiple users who are working on the same router, you can get that information by using this command, show users. Okay, that is the answer for your 7th question. The 8th question is, you have been asked to check the performance of a device interface. Which command provides traffic statistics for router interfaces? The best thing is show interfaces. It gives you a lot of information, which gives you a lot of statistics, how many input errors are there, what is the size, how many drops are there, all of those things, all of the information regarding the interface, you can get it from show interfaces command. There you go. You can just type in the space bar. It shows you a lot of information. What is the bit rate, what is the bandwidth, what is the MTU size, what is the delay, all that information regarding that is provided by the show interfaces command. So let me take on the 9th question. Customers are complaining that they cannot reach a server that they use for file storage. You suspect that the network may have become unreachable due to a recent upgrade. Which command provides you information about the paths that are available for network traffic? So for such things, if you need to find out, you can type in show IP route. There you go. It will actually show you which are routes are directly connected, whether the default gateway is set up or not. All that information you can get it from show IP route command. For the last question, which interfaces are currently active? I told you show. I can just do this show IP interface brief. If I type in, it shows it gives me a very good answer. If you can see here, it says there are only 2 interfaces that are up. One of it is gigabit 0 by 0, and the other one is serial interface 0 by 0 by 1. Remaining two, they are not set up. So this is a very pretty simple activity which allows you to understand the uses of show commands when you're trying to debug the information, when you're trying to troubleshoot or debug anything. Okay, so this is it regarding the interpretation of show commands and their outputs. So guys, thank you very much. Hopefully you understand it and you use the appropriate show commands according to your usage and requirement. Thank you very much.